What up, what up? So today we are at Artcraft photographing Jose's Type R with a bunch of Mugen parts. We're moving around a bunch of the cars so that it's all white up here, Civics Integras. We're gonna do a lay flat with all the parts laid out next to the Integra Type R. So in order to get this backdrop right, we're gonna go pick up another JDM Type R Integra, because otherwise there's a white Evo which looks nice but doesn't fit the theme. So we're gonna go and grab this other car. So we're going in this car. Wow, it's clean in here.
It is clean.
Damn, boy, struggling.
Damn, this thing needs air or something. They don't fucking turn. It's showing it to move me to the right. He's gonna line me too down.
I traded him for the Gen 1 plus cash.
What's in here?
K24.
K24?
Like K24, I think. So this one boogies.
Nice.
This one boogies, duh. This one get in trouble with.
This is a lot of work for a photo shoot. It better turn out good.
Bitch, you're the one that wants to fucking have all white Hondas. I told you, let's just put another car there.
Nah, fam, that's not how I operate.
Yeah.
It'll look good, I think.
I think so too.
All right. The K24 Integra.
Not yet, no.
You gotta warm up.
Yeah, I gotta work. Yeah, it's
Oh, you can feel the torque difference off the bat. Oh. Oh yeah.
Yeah, for sure you can feel it through it.
That feels way different.
What a key. These are Hoosiers.
Oh yeah.
Bitches just gonna like use shifts and let's go.
Oh yeah, the ooze for sure. Oh, this car feels completely different. You can tell it's like you can tell it's angry, but it's being really gentle right now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. K24 at it.
It's fucking pretty rowdy.
Sounds good.
Yeah, it sounds good. And I'm like feathering the throttle. It's not like it's like poking but
All right, that only took like an hour, but looking good. So we got the USDM Integra up there, the FL5, got the NA1 NSX, we got an EK, EG, and a JDM front end Type R, looking good. And then of course, we're gonna shoot Jose's Type R coming right up. Slanted that direction, yeah. Move what?
how far do you want the engine?
Just go back first and then I'll guide you in. All right. All right, so as of right now, we are setting up the Integra here. I'm gonna have all of the Mugen parts right here. I'm probably gonna light paint everything just because.
Here, how long is this thing? So you see you want to
Starting here. Oh, must be nice. Damn, must be nice. Sheesh. Sheesh. Hey, must be nice. And with a box?
Yeah, and then little instructions are answered to the manual.
Mystery package. Got some MF10s. Got the spoiler. Some sway bars.
Which color do you want?
Some strut bars.
You want to lay out stuff too, or we just do it? We stay on the front until we figure out where to put it. We're missing the cluster. This is Aloy's fucking fishing. He has it. He's supposed to bring it to me.
Is he still bringing it?
Yeah, but like in an hour.
Shiny.
You got one in or you need more?
I didn't have one. Couldn't carry forward without them. But it's not in. Oh, you just threw it on top like that. Okay.
All right, so we are going to move the parts around to form the car and see if it looks good. Let's see if it looks cheesy, but hopefully it'll look good. So we're waiting on a cluster and some Mugen seat rails so we can have that sitting on the ground. And we
What do I
got
put them there to make the...
for this to stand.
I just don't want to put them on the floor.
Yeah, I don't know. You probably have to use some rags or some sort.
Racks, I mean, I have racks. You're okay with me putting racks in it?
We'll have to see if we can hide it as best we can.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, let me see. Which is the bottom? That's the bottom. This is the bottom. I mean, if we just lay it, I don't give a fuck. You know what I mean? Meaning, as in, like, we're not dragging it, right? We're just like, boop, once we figure out where we want it.
Yeah, yeah.
Anyway. That's fine.
All right, so as of now, we've moved this all the parts around a few different times, and we're trying to perfect it. So we're taking photos of it, going to the computer, looking at it much larger, and we're just moving like little things to just kind of get everything spaced out really well. So some of the things like right here, we need to move the valve cover back just a little bit. We're spacing out the wheels and the skirt. Actually, the skirt can come back and go up a little bit further. Right there. And then the exhaust needs to go out just a little bit. That's good.
That's good. Okay.
Yeah.
Hold out further reach for me. When I lift this, I might
We're gonna stand the wing up by putting up. Yep. Perfect. That's gonna look way cooler.
Let me, I should cut a little bit of that thing though.
Yeah. Cut that down.
Get this.
That's good. I don't even think we'll see much of it. Remember?
No.
So yeah, cut out the back, and then we'll be good for that. Everything is looking really good. We got a Mugen instrument cluster, strut bar, valve cover, We got the intake. We're gonna move this up just a little bit. Right there. Just a little bit. Alright, I think we're pretty much there. We're actually gonna potentially move the cars. We need to gut out the corner over there, and then maybe angle the cars on the ends out a little bit, fan them out, so we can see them a little bit more. Yeah. Alright, we're moving it back just ever so slightly. You're clear as of now. Alright, so after like an hour and a half, we're finally done setting everything up, and everything is looking perfect. We moved around a few of the cars, angled them out, and now we shoot. We're gonna do an ambient shot, and then we're gonna do a bunch of light painting, and hopefully we can get this done under 30 minutes. So let's go. All right, so after an hour and a half worth of shooting, it's finally all done. But 2 hours of shooting, an hour and a half worth of setup, 2 hours worth of setup, an hour and a half worth of shooting, and we're finally done, I think. But we're gonna grab some detail shots of some of these rare parts, and hopefully we'll have what we need tonight, and then edit comes this weekend, and hopefully the Battlecraft Art Show, which is next Friday, will be, I have what I need for that. So let's get to work. It is officially 10:30, and that's it. It's a wrap. I did what I could with what I got, and here's some photos, and that's it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for hanging out.